For part 3, I'll cover the setup of the mower deck and final assembly for the homemade mower. To make casters for the mower deck, I used steering pins from a wheel horse tractor. I custom made some wheel holders and welded them to the bottom of those steering pins. The casters swivel on what used to be the ends of the axle of the wheel horse tractor. I bolted them to a piece of angle iron and then welded that to a frame I made from scrap steel. There are brackets on the bottom of the frame that holds the casters that the mower hangs from. The mower deck pivots from side to side in the same holder that used to be on the Snapper rear engine rider. I cut it off the Snapper tractor, removed the seat pan that was on top of it, and made a custom housing for it to mount to the new setup. This bracket mounts to the tractor in a way that it can swivel up and down, giving the mower full range of motion. The body of the Snapper was cut shorter, and where I cut it off, I welded a piece of angle iron with some round stock steel and some brass bushings. A bolt goes through holes on the swivel mount and the brass bushings with a cotter pin to hold things in place. I did this so it would be easy to remove without tools when I wanted to. To keep everything as compact as possible, I shortened the front lift arms on the mower deck. Because of this, I had to customize the linkage that raises and lowers the mower to keep it level. Okay, here's the carrier for the mower deck. It has casters up front, and it can swivel here side to side. And the mower deck hangs in the front from these arms, and on the back from these arms, which actually connect to the part that swivels side to side, so the whole deck can swivel. And it'll swivel side to side there, and front to back where it connects to the tractor here. And then right now I have the deck pretty much level and all the way down position right now. And then if I raise it up, it stays pretty level. And I can also fine-tune the adjustment in the back for leveling if it's slightly out. I wired up an on-off key, a starter button, and a battery. This plate holds those controls as well as the throttle and choke. Once the weather warmed up, I took everything out for cleaning, degreasing, and painting. After painting, I assembled everything. I put on fluid-filled ag tires and added some weight up front to improve traction, and that pretty much completed the mower project.